I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Asphalt Floor Screed. Asphalt Floor Screed, also known as mastic asphalt, has a multitude of applications. It works well in areas that need levelling, and if there is a problem with insulation or damp, Asphalt Floor Screed is a great option. Asphalt Floor Screed is made by combining specific bitumens and aggregates with limestone filler. It provides a good, smooth, hard-wearing floor surface which makes it popular in construction. The addition of other polymers means that it can be flexible and resistant to crack formation. Not only can it outlast most other types of domestic and commercial and industrial floor screeds, it is very easy to lay and cools rapidly, meaning it can be in situ and foot traffic ready in just a few hours. Some of the key uses of asphalt floor screed include drainage falls, levelling surfaces, creating stable bases for other constructions like decking, walkways, balconies, car parks and service areas. Asphalt floor screed can be applied directly to an existing concrete base, so it is useful for open walkways, balconies and other uses. And it is versatile enough to use beneath cold roofs and terraces. Advantages of asphalt floor screed. Damp proofing. Asphalt floor screed is made using bitumen, so it helps provide an additional damp-proof layer on floors. It's hard wearing. Asphalt floor roads are well known for their strength and durability, so by using asphalt floor screed in a factory or car park, it provides a solid, long-lasting and stable surface. It's dust-free. Asphalt floor screed stops the dust creation associated with concrete flooring because its construction means the dust adheres to the surface. There is no need to sweep every day to keep the dust levels down either, reducing the need and cost for constant housekeeping activities. It's flexible. Using asphalt floor screed takes away any worries about uneven settling and crack formation damaging the floor or covering placed upon it. The flooring can accommodate the stresses put upon it by adjusting accordingly. It also has chemical resistance. Chemical laboratories, factories and any other industrial application that uses acids can be confident when they lay asphalt floor screed. An industrial mix of acid-proof bitumen, special aggregates and limestone makes it perfect for use in these environments. It also looks good. An asphalt walkway, balcony or terrace looks good and stays looking good in the long term, making it useful in commercial and domestic settings. It's non-slip. Asphalt floor screed provides a rough finish which makes it avoids it becoming slippery. It also reduces noise. The elasticity of asphalt floor screed helps it absorb noise, making it a quieter option than traditional concrete. It's useful in factory environments and within the home. The key applications of asphalt floor screed in industrial applications: any area with a high level of motor vehicle traffic benefits from dust-free, high quality surface. In industries where acid resistance or spark resistance is necessary, there are special grades of asphalt floor screed produced specifically for these challenging environments. In the domestic application, traditional asphalt floor screed has not been used in homes, but this is now changing as builders recognise that this is the perfect base for carpets, vinyl and other forms of flooring. Its rapid cooling reduces the time it takes to provide a firm, durable floor surface, which has increased in popularity in domestic construction. If you would like to know more information about asphalt floor screed, just drop us a line at Speed Screed and we will be happy to help.